Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This is Safe Pips coming up with a different class. Arrantana wana rahaso enu. Tanadura daily bias fi weekly fi wahunda rahaso enu turre akata itti combine wali godan hunda rahaso enu turre. So eran isini debia. This is weekly dami kun weekly in POI kaban isini point of interest, which is our FVG IRL khenya kana mi ERL khenya gubba kana. So trading is kana gadebu egale gubba kana ERL nutan sininje gubba khun ERL nutan sininje. So this is weekly. Daily register of tanimo everything is the same. Garu gapi khana du gudatan sininje. At least revision akan isino jugodun barbade. So kunama weekly gap in kunti kadami daily register ufunu iguddata. It looks bigger. So we are looking for buy, right? Buy demo demna mikatana timab jannan imbalance khana nugute jira ERL khayna khana khagubba khana demo dema, but this is daily. Unama daily register weekly ran usene jira matanga sene jira sinin backtest sine goletin jira agar tene jirtan. This is daily. Your direction yohan biasi khe weekly or monthly rati lalte trade daily rati frochu qabda yachuda. Daily kharam dema frochu qabda yachuda. Garu lazim amti daily direct on the trading foratan wani jachuf ade for amali weekly fee weekly ARL fi daily wujidemu qaba yachu direction taka wujidemu qaba kadanati. So amanta nakun daily khazra candle dura mata dan senu kanu dura mata senu isim barseture akata continuation akata wofi yo kana jala khana chufe fi yomo gubba khana chufe reject gode akka reverse demnu isim barsejra rantan guyasan. So arantana mo mal itidana daily khanarra yo direction barbadde 4 hour dufta 4 hour duftani yech bikadanati 4 hour fi daily waliti combine gona rantana. So let me see how it goes. 4 hour fi 4 hour fi era turetin jada video le difama nagoda torbani to gulaman post kudu fade ture, but I didn't have a chance to record. So this is daily. Kunimo 4 hour nufta kadanati 4 hour ichun 4 hour kana dura dan sinibasa 4 hour kun gumega guya kaisa 4 hour make out jiran sininje guya to ko kaisa 24 hours kabna, right? 24 hours kun 24 hours kana kaisa 4 hour make kabne chuda 4 hour make abna you divide by 4 go to equals to 6 candles nudu fayechu 6 candles of 4 hour nudu fayechu bikadanati 6 candles of 4 hour each malisha bikitun 4 hour candle khenya kun jah we have 6 4 hour candle daily yechu dakun 4 hour khenya guyatti meka jahata jahan khana khaisa sadi am session fi sadin khani mo PM session nufta h bikadanati. We have 24 hours, right? 24 hours khun a candle meka basan sininja 4 hour jaha basa jahan khana khaisa candle sadi 4 hour ganamata AM session tahechu AM session ta sadeni mo khagalgala tahechu, which means we have 12 hours daily 12 hours galgala fi 12 hours AM fi 12 hours PM nuftahech bikadanati 12 hours khadura khana khaisa malin sininje we have 3 candles kamnechu kadanati candle sadi kha hundinu tokkichanisa 4 hour khato tahechu kadanati kha AM tahe kha PM tahus we have 4-hour candles sadi qabnaa jechuudha. Kana hundaa isiniif himsa booda 3 candles khamali kha 4-hour nuuf ta'a jechuudha. 4-hour candles nuuf ta'a jechuudha. So amma kana adda baafanne maaliif dila kana beeku nu feessa. Afaan tana trade gubbarraa gaddeemu jira midhoo kana guutu. I am happy that everyone is understanding. Wanni namni hunduu isiniif galu jiraan abdii qaba. Maaliif jennaan weekly irraa eegaleetiin daily dhufnee daily booda arraan tanaas 4-hour dhufnee jechuudha. 4-hour kana keessa moodela 2-3 jira akka trade fudhatan hedduu sin garsiisa. So first one is candle 4-hour kana akkanatti ganama banamu jechuudha. Kun ganama dura banamu jechuudha. Dura banamu kun 4-hour candle nu taami. You mark the high and the low. Sambooda maal nu taha jalli kun CRT low nu taha jechuudha. CRT low kana lee danda'an yookaan CR low lee jechuu dandeessa. Garuu CR tuma firraa goona akka low ta'e ni beeknami waan jala jiru jecha. Gubbaa kunis remember this is 4-hour candle. This 4-hour candle CRT high qabnaa jechuudha. 4-hour dura ganama banamu akkana fakkaata. Gubbaa fi jala qaba kunis. Akka daily biasitti confusing godhina 4-hour kun irra xiqqaadha. So amma maalayna amma CRT jechuma jechuudha osoo isiniif hin ibsiniin keesseenu qe. CRT means candle range theory. Ta'a jechuudha. Candle range theory. Dhageessan kana hedduu warra ICT tu fayyadama. Kana fayyadama. So candle range theory kun akkamitti uumama. This is first model of entry akkaataa trade fudhatanii fi akkaataa trade fudhatan amma xiqqishollee taatu is wali dhidhiyaatu jira. Isin dhufu jira gartee. So laafachaa dhufu jira jechuudha. CRT model fi khabiroo tokko jira ammas AMD model jira. AMD khanas ammas ni ibsa. AMD khanas ammas ni ibsa. This is another entry, this another entry. Khullachuutu entry amma entry seene jira gartee nama suutuma osoo jiru entry seene jira ammaantan. So CRT ganama kun maal ta'a? You wait for another 4-hour candle to open, either to take this low or to take this high. Okay. CRT khadura banamu kun Asian high nufta. Kunis Asian low nufta. You remember? Liquidity zone gavan sini barsuni adatan. Gize 4-hour dura kun banamu Asian high mark goratte which is our CRT high. Low khanas gize duftu Asian low nufta kadanti. Mark charter daketin singarsisa amma garuti theory man simbarsisa. So market ni kun mal goda 4-hour duri banamu kun mal goda mantana accumulation goda jechu. Let's say qofa yookaan accumulation fayyadamnaa jechuudha. Accumulation jechuun maal jechuudha? 4-hour tokkichaan dura banamu kun accumulation uumaa. Maaliif uuma? Accumulation maal jechuudha? Accumulation jechuun waa walitti qabachuu jechuudha. Afaan Ingiliffaa direct yooniin translate godhe accumulate walitti qabachuu or liquidity uumu jira. 4-hour tokkichaan kun ganama banamu liquidity uumu jira. Garuu liquidity uumuu fi liquidity qabaachuun adda. Liquidity uumuu jechuun tabooda dhufanii liquidity gubbaa fi jala liquidity sweep godhan uumu jira jechuudha kanatti. That's why we call it accumulation. Accumulation runs ni deebi'a. This is consolidation jechuudha ammas. Consolidation, accumulation or range leen jaaniin. So akkuma khamta irraa si gala siitu filata. Candle durii banamaan siinjee accumulation ta'a. Accumulation jechuun trading fudhachuu hin dandeessu kanatti. Trading hedduu movie hin qabu ifii fi liquidity dha. So what do you expect next candle of 4 hour to open? After opening, jala kana fudhata yookaan gubbaa kana fudhata. Sinigala mantana gubbaa kana fudhachuun Asian high fudhate jechuudha. Jala kana fudhate jechuun Asian low fudhate jechuudha. Indicator le sinin garse indicator goota kasin garse irraan isinii deebi'a. So CRT'n maaliif fayyadama? Maaliif nu fayyada CRT'n? CRT maal nu garsiisa? Accumulation kun bu'ee jira. Accumulation kun bu'ee jira. Next, what do you expect? Manipulation eeyde jechuudha. Manipulation jechuun maal jechuudha? Namatti taphachuu, fake move or trap move kanneen isin joosan yookaan liquidity sweep manipulation ta'a jechuudha. Candle 4 hour kabanamu kun jala kana dhufeeti jala kanatti hin cufu. Jala kanatti hin cufu. Warri buyer pressure seenaniiti push godhanii price asitti cufan. Asitti cufan. Maal jechuudha amma bika kanatti kun? CRT'n uumamee jira jechuudha bika kanatti. CRT'n ka uumame candle 4 hour sadiin uumama CRT'n. First candle accumulation uumaan isin jee. The second one manipulation uuma. Manipulation jechuun isin himeetiin jira fake move or liquidity grab or breakout, fake breakout ta'a bika kanatti. So keessa kanatti cufa jechuudha bika kanatti. Keessa kanatti cufa. Manipulate godheeti warra sell seenu marketing akkanatti damage godhee akkanatti gubbaa kanatti cufa. Sometimes guyyuu team CRT kana agartu chart irratti so yoo kana dhabde trading fudhattu yottee calistee biran taa'in. There's a lot of models addunyaa kanarra modela dhibbata akka jira. So ati kan fayyadamtaa osuma siif galaa dhufuutitti keessaa filachaa deemtaa jechuudha kanatti. Garuu entry hundaa'uu isin barsiisuuf hin ta'a inshallah rabbana laafise akkaataa trade fudhatanii fi akkaataa direction dura uummatanii. Sometimes I can even come live in sin hojjiseena YouTube tahe YouTube mo live trading record godhe akkaataa trade ti fudhadhu record godhe post godhe inshallah rabbana laafise. Garuu san dura isiniif galuu qaba sistema build ta'e tokko jira age ja'aniin SPH gizeen jedhu maqaa kan ifin jedhu kun SPN is safe pips. Age jechuun forex kana gubbarraa yookaan eerraa ilanga zeddi nama qabu jechuudha. Rules isaa follow godhe. Do you have an age yooniin siinjee ammaan tana? Yes yoon an jette trade akkaataatti seentuu fi yeroo tam seentaa fi akkami directiona uummattaa fi yaani waa hunda wali qabdee mataa keessaa qabdaa jechuudha. Callisanii arraan tana strategy khaan fayyadamtee kanarraa utaaltee khaanis seentee callistee gizee candle ol fiiguu fi gaddeemu jala gizee callistee seentu. That's not an age. That's not forex. That's not entry model hin qabdu jechuudha. Garuu entry model ani isin barsiisuuf deemu inshallah. Takkarraa eegalee langa dhumaatti video durarratti illee jedhin jira I repeat again. Takkarraa langa dhumaatti yoo na jala deemtan you will become model khayya akkanaan itti fayyadamu fi akkanaan trade godhuu ni dandeessan jechuudha. Nin beekalee fi nin jettu hin jiru. I'm perfectly jechuutti hin jiru. But waan an beeku waan rabbi irraa beeksise qofaan isin gargaaruuf YouTube channel kana banee akkanatti isiniif jecha lafa'u jira. So waan kanaas akka movie calistanii ilaaltanii biraan kutanaa please. It needs more training, more patience, more effort. Waa hedduu isin raafadha. It's just not about watching the screen. Apply fadha waan kana hundaa'u. CRT maali, daily bias maali, ERL, IRL maali, liquidity maali, market structure maali, premium and discount maali, manipulation fi accumulation fi distribution, everything A to Z beeytee apply godhuudha malee maqaadhaan qofa jechoota afaan ingiliffaa kana nin beekeettee mata qabattee callistee forex hin beekaa ifin jechuu hin dandeessu. So this thing is a process A to Z qaba. Sorry karaa psychology sin keessa dhiifama asitti deemna ammaas karaa kilaasii deemna. Accumulation uumee jira. Manipulation gizee uume booda manipulation jechuun reject candle. Remember, daily bias gize barannu gize reject tahu sweep this low gize gode boda by demnan sininje. By gize demnu target ni khenya esan sininje. That's daily bias. Target ni khenya as gubaran sininje. Target ni khenya as gubaran sininje. You remember, that's only on daily. That's only on daily bias. Khuni more 4 hour da. It's a bit different from the daily bias because moving tikishada khun. Moving angi khun tikishada. So what example it's just easy. This is Asian open ifi, Asian low ifi, Asian high. This is London. Namna kana tiddu kan time na dafase sinifinips. This is London. London kana gorata. London manipulate goda. Fair to sell seni or buy seni, but we only trade on the real move. Real move yom taha only on New York. That is an AMD model. New York kofa trade gone chunit. New York in saatam egala 4 hours khun London khun gize dume boda khun kha New York bana maechu yonin kharin khalatin. Timing akasi fakati because we always wait for this manipulation to happen so that we catch this real move jachu. See ama AMD snigele jira. This is distribution jachun khana yachu. Distribution yachu khana D faydamna. This is an AMD plus CRT model janin khana yachu. Plus CRT model. Kuna more ICT or ICT GUYYAA. By the way, I started with price action, Sanis Baratletin, obvious Nafintane. I was new those days, so Osman Samfaida Mujruti, ICT egale, ICT boda, perfect tehe, chu modela hangan and confidence arkade, YouTube iti, sinif post to go do gehechu. So this thing is a process, but ila masaduk ofalalte nimbe in please. I took a lot of time, a lot of energy, bikatana ngawjachud. So this is the distribution real moving jachun khana yachu. Amamal tuafa. Make sure, I want to make sure, I think tanadura zayt in setting case sentaniti bikatana UTC -4 New York gorot bikatana. This is very important. Maluf janan akka Africa jirun trading on forex nuti, okay? Akka mata khenya America ta tenye ganama gize sala fakhan good morning walinjan san akka chijru feel godu kamna ka chijru trade godu kamna chu forex nuvgaru asri boda. That's what I'm telling you every day. Your timing America jiramelle timing kunis ififi automatic nujirama de maecho. So every morning gizen sometimes I have a group. Good morning gizen jaon bo asri aban hanjan. Yes, but we have to be present as a forex trader who lives in US. You don't understand the timing. You need above 9:13 baname candle yuni sinje 9:13 candle kun khamin anjat 9:13 candle kun New York in Tivana Musashin New York gize Tivana mu 9:30 ta. But we are in Africa saa kudani fi chinata yechu asri bodon ufta yechu. So we have to understand every time zone. So amma CRT model khun sinif gale jira yechu. Amma CRT khana fi daily bias khana kamiti combine walid gota. Remember at the day trader da swing trader miti wara torban takka guyala ma oli fi torban takka lama sadi hold godun miti ati. But you can choose. You can choose to be a swing trader, scalper, or a day trader just like us. Day trader yotate, we only use daily bias plus 4 hour direction. Kofa faida mnayechu. This is just for direction. Daily bias barachu abjechu. Now, arantana kami combine one lamangana gota. How we combine this thing? We do like this, CRT plus CRT plus CRT plus plus nagar negative man san firra goda CRT plus POI gona CRT plus point of interest. This is the model we use, but there is a lot of confirmation to it. Next thing is in the entry model egal of demna akata checklist entry khajani jira mal akka ide mal lalte trade buy fi sell or something indura one if you have to jira. That's a lot of process, but for now let's just concentrate how we are going to build our daily bias. Daily bias gubbara define ninja. This is our daily bias. After that, day fee 4 hour gize wali sudufe, you are good to go. You are good to go. Now, amantana CRT POI fee CRT plus POI gize ninjo akana fakata. This is the daily imbalance price no design bikatanati. I always use fair value gap akka isinra walit line fi ka wan heddu isinra adda walin wal isra indo nefi fair value gap heddu faydama. This is daily akam gize agartu, and then you look for pullback kana khaysa bikatanati malalta. You go to small time frame which is 4 hour. Candling dura jala khana sene khana jala sa kana gize sararatu maltu umama ama sarari tanan singar sisa. Okay, sarari jala khana sene khana kan sini good se singar search. We are looking for buys, right? Buy them of them na, right? Buy malif them na. We have this high which is our ERL. We have this move to we are expecting for buy opportunity to targeting this high. Now I'm a daily khaysa jirta daily candle khaysa khamatan ana kana sena khun khamatan ana kana tignuvga sena khana low sati fi high sa gize magoratu low isa gize kam magoratu low sags kana magoratu khadaili khana. If you go to 4 hour so kanat magorate jruti 4 hour gize hitu, you will see something like this. This is 4 hour candle buy barbadu demta mi 4 hour candle khana makam CRT khana faydemte buy khana demta, because our daily buyer says we are looking for buy bullish opportunity barbadu jana bikatanati. So we have a 4 hour candle in our point of interest, and then what do we expect? Mal aidam bikatanati manipulation habu udura manipulation gize eboda. We look for our buy buy khayn target ni aisa ati silatu day trade one time jacha. We only look for a small pips Yohan move it kshata kanuvge nu arkanan nuvga hayachu. We cannot wait all this by elanga ERL khan egunan denyu yodan they says pullback yom alen khe if dan do yodan if dan de malen khe saqabat account khe saqab do if dan de pullback daily khana, we are good to go, no problem. But we trade daily, so POI khayna khana khaysa 4 hour candle khana agartechu. This is accumulation khayna mal dalagan sininje liquidity nufuma yechu liquidity na mal tu fe furata khanatu 4 hour candle khabirotu yo khan London dufeti lo khana furata reject goda yechu gizakan reject no gode. This is manipulation egabu eboda. We only trade distribution, targeting our CRT high. I think hang kanaf when ta kanaf nensaha AMD is in bersise CRT echona mas market maker mujol khajanin zarkhanuma CRT fi AMD accumulation, manipulation and distribution. Accumulation, manipulation and distribution 4 hour kana qofati happening tahu 4 hour kana qofati on tahu. We can also look for 5 minutes or 15 minutes accumulation akkanatti agarta. This is consolidation yookaan accumulation yookaan range, equal highs and equal lows. There's no clear direction hin jiru jechuudha kanatti. So what do you call this? This is accumulation. This is accumulation. Manipulation akkamitta? Manipulation jala kana fudhata yookaan high kana fudhata. Because we have equal high liquidity zone or equal lows where liquidity or orders are resting. Jala kana yoo fudhate maal laalta? Manipulation happened. Manipulation jechuun liquidity fudhachuu jechuun uumamee jira jechuudha. Liquidity eega ganama uumamu jiru kana gizee New York banamu manipulation godheetti. Maaliif manipulate godha? Manipulate jechuun nama irradduu tokkotu sell deemaa break and retest warra fayyadamtu akka jira. Sell break jala kan onda godhee jira jaaniiti jala gafiiganii jala seenan. But in forex manipulation lazima uumamu qaba jechuudha. Accumulation booda manipulation gizee uumame booda real move will happen. Real move will happen. So hangi xiqqishaan kun manipulation taha, hangi guddaan ol deema kun immoo this is our real move. This is distribution di fayyadamna. Khajalaa kana maal fayyadamna? This is manipulation. Kun immoo accumulate nu godhee liquidity zone equal high equal lows direction kan qabne kanuuf uumame khame. It is accumulation, manipulation, distribution type. So this is for buys. Khaselin singarsisa. Accumulation akkana gizee tahu booda manipulate godha gubbaa. Sell deemuudhaa fi manipulate godheeti real move distribution boodarra dhufa jechuudha. This is accumulation, and this is manipulation. Manipulation jechuun is just liquidity sweep jechuudha. Liquidity sweep jechuun ammas maallaqa guurrachuu jechuudha, gaaza guutachuudha. Then the real move yoo manipulate hin arkin market keessa please trade hin seenin yookaan manipulate siitu tahaa jechuudha. Siitu M keenya kana nu tahaa jechuudha. Siitu manipulate keenya nuuf tahaa jechuudha. Another thing, CRT kana kaloo kana qofa example isin garsiise. CRT kana sale illee isin garsan maantana. And then we go to live chat. I love chatting isin je. Chat yojin example isin khannatin isin barsiisu jira. So this is CRT high and CRT low. CRT high and CRT low. Let's say this is bullish. This is for bullish. This is for bullish. Okay, there you go. Now we mark our low. For our low CRT low jechuudha. CRT low fi CRT high qabna jechuudha. CRT low fi CRT high. This is accumulation. This is accumulation in Kenya khana. For our ganama gize trading banamu New York time accumulation umaechu. Now next thing we look for is a manipulation. Manipulation in gubbaa kana ta. Yoo gubbaa kana manipulate nu gode, reject nu gode keessatti nu uume. What do we expect? This is our manipulation. M Kenya nu taich because this is our M. So what do you expect? A fall to happen taking out this CRT low. CRT low Kenya fudhachuudhaaf fall happen taich because normal jechuudha because gubbaan kun this is our distribution taich. This is our D. This is our distribution nuuf taich because I think I have to remember something. Okay. No problem. Amma chatra denetin isin garsaa jechuudha. Let's go to the chart. This Euro USD daily ra dura. Let's delete everything. Esara murra. Let's go. Amad kishayfa gesna rantana. Backtest godum bayta tanafi faida nuuf qabayach. Maalif backtest gore gize finjattu is just because of these things. It's just because of this kind of thing jechuudha. So let's say. Okay, let's cut it from here. I can just show you one example. Now this is daily candle. Let's see fair value gap in Ufana. Fair value gap in Ufanejra. Okay, let me cut it here. Fair value gap in Ufanejra. Fair value gap in Ufanahami. This is Kalarat Kishada ladder. Let's see how, if you can look for CRT. Now, I'm a daily bias khazira. Where is our point of interest? Our point of interest in Kenya Khana. So, gize market ni. Oh, by the way, market structure runs in the answer. This is lower low, lower high. Lower low, so the lower high kana dalage, lower low hindelene, lower low downtrend tinfufne, because higher low dalageti, break of change of character dalage because uptrendy egalech. Where do you expect buys now? Also gado gadem downtrend right buy jira major because so what do you expect for this for this POI to get respected? Aka support faydame aka buy diamnu expect gurujra bikatanati arrantanaf maalif jannan bullish fair value gap qabnach bikatanati fair value gap ko yo respect nu tahe uptrending duga egale jirayachu so maal sininje forex chart khanar takana kalama dibus ninje njara gado olo demeti yo olo demes gado gadibe olo demayachu. Now we have our point of interest which is in a daily. Mamal expect gone bikatanati buy expect gone to GUYYAA kana maluf jannan candle in previous day body dan nu chufe. You see here candle in previous day body da one chufe cha samboda fair value gap nu is which means buyers are in control. Amantana fair value gap khana ma godaneti CRT low khana dem CRT 4 hour khana dufne CRT gize dufnu CRT can exit of no, I think Mark Ngonen Sasreti. Let me zoom out. Okay, Sirida. 4 hour and exit of no. We wait. Remember, buy the mujra bikatanati. GUYYAA buy the mujra. So what do we expect? A CRT to happen. CRT kun tehajra bikatanati. Yes, tehajra. Jala khanatti chufe jira katanatti. This is a CRT. Yo kanatti zoom gotan jala kana low kana fudate jira point of interest ni qabna garu fair value gap khaburo qabna katanatti. Fair value gap 4 hour qabna katanatti. Let me close this one. 4 hour fair value gap khaburo qabna katanatti. Jala kana asni qabna. This is also another 4 hour POI khanis ninjo khanachu. So forex kana mal expect gota to fill this gap kana test nu wode aka buy dem nu expect gona yechu. Let's see how it goes because nu chufe jala kana chufe jara but test nu fingone there's something called SMT but I'm not going to tell you now, no problem. SMT to jara. So what do you expect? Now we are looking for buys. Reject godejara bikatanati. Garu fair value gap kabonillen. Look, you have to be keen. Fair value gap khana kabnech bikatanati. So let's see how it goes. I'm buying expect goda targeting where? Targeting this high. But the problem is we have this fair value gap and we have this fair value gap. Let's just wait and see how it goes. Reject nu gore jere bikatana CRT low nu fure jere bikatanati. Fair value gap khana garu hintuine. Let's see how it goes. Okay, I'm rejecting going because jala khana hintuine. Let's go. Nice. Fair value gap nu tuke jere bikatanati. This is fair value gap. Fair value gap yoo jalaa qabaate POI yoo qabaate and then reject godhe bikatanatti. Shuf. Reject gizee gaduu CRT hin dalayne garuu next day what do we expect? Buy. CRT high keenya fudhate jechuudha. Amma CRT fi POI gizee wal idaatu akkana fakkaata jechuudha. CRT fi POI keenya gizee kana wal idaatu akkanatti buy kana barbaanna jechuudha. Garuu buy asirraa illee this is a premium zone asirraa illee as kun discountedha sila as dhufee test godhuu qaba ture but fi fiigee jechuudha. Let's see another day. Example browning singarsiisee samboda finna jechuudha video kana. I want to see fair value gap. I want to see fair value gap first. I want to see fair value gap. Okay. Nice. Fair value gap ni kamna bikatanatti. This is daily. This is daily. This is daily. Amma mal expect gona bikatanatti. Buy expect gona bikatanatti. Buy expect gona mal jannan fair value gap qaba. Fair value gap khaysa mal jira. Test gore demand sinje. Let's see how it goes. Osama trade khana bante osama teesse ijalal tuti. Ati one expect go to fi one inni si khanun addata. Adda taaychu. Look. Amantana daily POI khazra daily POI khana khaysa mal qabna amantana fair value gap 4 hour khana qabna fair value gap 4 hour khana qabna yechu test no gore jira yes test no gore jira test no gore jira let's see how it goes amantana test nda hulatnya zuru dufe test gore jira it has to create CRT again gore bode demo qabotore but CRT ninjuru. Okay, now I can see CRT. This is the rejection. Rejection khana happen tajra. Let's target this high. Let's target this high. This is a CRT khansinja khana yacho. Not always it will happen. Guyu hintahu yacho CRT. You see, now CRT yacho khana yacho. POI khana khaysati reject godeti asgubati khaysan nuchufe samboda we target CRT high. We target CRT high. Let me go to gold. Gold in your example bareda no khane. So this is daily. Asarrain khota. Stay. Anyway, asarrain khota. This is daily. Do we have POI? Point of interest ni qabna? Yes, lama sadi qabna bikatanati. Lama fi sadi qabna yachu bikatanati. This is a premium zone. This is a discount zone. Ham respect gode buy rubber banana laleb katanati. Let's see. Okay, khanato test no gode katanati. Buy them in katanati. No, you have to come to 4 hour and look for rejection. Look for CRT rejection. POI khin khas zramantan. Rejection gorujra. Yes, rejection gorujra. But CRT no dalage jira. No, no findele ngana CRT. Let's see. لو خنايو فراتي CRT ندرجة بربعنا بكتناتي. Let's see. CRT تكذا قلت نجرو. So this is how it happens. CRT سلا combine gone سلا buy ديمو كمنتورة. But it's okay. Sometimes we don't really look for أمانتا CRT نوتلا. أمانتا CRT نوتة. Because low khana sirri furateti low khayna khana sirri reject goreti if you can see low khana gize furate boda what do we expect high khana furachulaf expect gona yacho this is CRT ninjo POI khaysati happen tahan ninje that's very good CRT moving yacho khana yacho reject gize gore boda target khayna buying ninje we only target this high boom that's our buy. So I think amma moving kharem dana dem khun sirtin demna khanatu deme elanga ERL khay dem ufta ansa let's see how it goes video franch khudema okay this is a price action akuma fareta yachu all deme nice ERL khay nu deme yachu CRT nazalat happened homale buy khayna khaw daily khun indemu yachu I think next I'm going to talk about psychology rawaasa'u psychology mamit psychology mamite. Let's try entry model, checklist entry model, and then akata trade furatani fi akata trade furanne isin garsa jechu. Before we go bikatana indicator kana dhuftaniitiin isin injeetin jala bikatana Asian session high low middle line khajo kanatti irratti tuqattanii sanbooda leave sanbooda laalu qabdan jechuuf 4 hour candle dhuftaniiti 4 hour kun saseefuun akmaan irra haasawa jettanii 4 hour kana itti banattanii kana sanbooda you look for 4 hour CRT. Akkuma calistanii backtest godha. Akkuma calistanii backtest godhaatii ilaala jechuudha. This is Asian low, this is Asian high. This is Asian low and this is Asian high. Maal jennaan indicator kun Asian low fi Asian high nu garsa jechuudha kanatti. Look at the for CRT. Yoo CRT happen to buy them, yoo CRT low fudhate sell them. It's as easy as that. For our near time, yoo low kana fudhate gubbachufe ammas wanta kan ranfadde. Oh my goodness. Maal regaree furanfadde njoo jira lakka. This is what I forgot. This is what I forgot. High probability CRT janin. High probability CRT janin. Candle 4 hour kun akana fakkaata. Body insaa walakkaa kun 50% irra jira. 50% irra jira. High probability CRT akami beekan. High probability CRT akami beekan. Bodyin kun akka 50% kana kan dhufne sanbooda xiqqaa tahee bodyin 4 hours san duraatii fi ammaan tana deemu jiru akka walqixxaataa tahee laali. Jallisaa akkaataa itti walqixxaa tahee laali. Yoo kana waliin qixxaatiin high probability CRT hin ja'amu jechuudha. CRT dhugaa khasirri jechuudha. Kana man sodaachisne kan manipulate sirri nama godhe kana jechuudha. So we can enter for distribution phase jechuudha. Yoommoo kana jala kana yoo cufe is like so wiki kana sin furanne beeka still rejected inside but body kun tikisho giza kana jala gaddemu manipulation khabiro uma jif qisat khatabaddu manipulation bureau of demaite manipulation bureau of demaite shakku qabda jechuudha kana high probability khenya mo khan yo kana reject goda yo kana tikate as long as 50% khanan dufin jechuudha saninin firafita assalamu alaykum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.